Ever felt that little flutter of anxiety after sending money through Venmo? You're not alone. We've all been there, tapping that send button and then wondering, is my money actually safe? In a world where cyber threats seem to lurk around every digital corner, the security of our financial apps isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. Venmo, with its massive user base and its reputation as the go-to platform for splitting bills, paying back friends, and even a bit of casual e-commerce, handles billions of dollars annually. That kind of volume makes it a prime target for those with less than honorable intentions. So, the question isn't just is Venmo secure? But how secure is it, really? And more importantly, what can you do to keep your money and your data safe while using it? Let's peel back the layers and take a good, hard look at the security measures Venmo has in place, the potential risks involved, and the steps you can take to fortify your digital wallet. First off, it's important to understand that no digital platform is entirely impenetrable. The digital landscape is a constant game of cat and mouse, with security experts working tirelessly to stay one step ahead of potential threats. However, Venmo does employ a range of security features designed to protect its users. One of the foundational elements of Venmo's security is encryption. When you send or receive money, or when your personal and financial information is transmitted through the app, it's scrambled into code that's virtually unreadable to unauthorized parties. Think of it like sending a secret message written in an alien language. Unless you have the key to decipher it, it's just gibberish. Venmo uses industry-standard encryption protocols to safeguard this data both when it's being transmitted, in transit, and when it's stored on their servers, at rest. Another key layer of security is multi-factor authentication, MFA. This is like having a double lock on your door. Instead of just needing your password to access your account, MFA requires a second verification step, typically a one-time code sent to your phone number. This means that even if someone somehow manages to get their hands on your password, they still won't be able to log in without that unique, time-sensitive code. Enabling MFA is one of the simplest yet most effective steps you can take to significantly boost your Venmo account security. Venmo also utilizes fraud detection systems that work behind the scenes to identify suspicious activity. These systems analyze patterns in transactions, login attempts, and other account behavior to flag anything that looks out of the ordinary. If the system detects something fishy, it might temporarily limit your account activity or prompt you to verify your identity. While these systems aren't foolproof, they act as an important early warning system. Furthermore, Venmo adheres to Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS. This is a set of security standards designed to ensure that all companies that process, store, or transmit credit card information maintain a secure environment. Compliance with PCI DSS is crucial for any platform that handles financial data, and it demonstrates a commitment to protecting users' payment information. However, despite these robust security measures, it's crucial to acknowledge that risks still exist. One of the most significant vulnerabilities often lies not within the app itself, but with user behavior. Phishing scams, where fraudsters try to trick you into revealing your login credentials or other sensitive information, are a constant threat. These scams can come in the form of emails, text messages, or even direct messages through social media, often impersonating Venmo or other trusted entities. Always be wary of unsolicited messages asking for your password, PIN, or any other personal details. Venmo will never ask for your password outside of the app itself. Another potential risk stems from the public nature of Venmo's social feed. By default, your transactions with other users are visible to your friends and sometimes even publicly. While this social aspect is part of Venmo's appeal, it can also expose information that could be used by malicious actors. For example, knowing who you frequently send money to or receive money from could potentially be exploited. Adjusting your privacy settings to make your transactions private is a crucial step in protecting your personal information. Account takeovers are another serious concern. If a cybercriminal manages to gain access to your Venmo account, they could potentially drain your balance, link unauthorized bank accounts or cards, or even use your account to conduct fraudulent activities. This is why strong, unique passwords and enabling MFA are so vital. Data breaches, although less directly under the user's control, are also a potential risk with any online platform that stores user data. While Venmo invests heavily in security, no system is entirely immune to sophisticated cyberattacks. In the event of a data breach, your personal and financial information could be compromised. It's important to stay informed about any reported breaches and to take any recommended steps to protect yourself. So, what can you do to enhance your Venmo security? The good news is that there are several proactive steps you can take to minimize your risk. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. This is arguably the single most important step you can take. It adds an extra layer of security that makes it much harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account, even if they have your password. Go into your Venmo settings and turn it on. Use a strong, unique password. Avoid using easily guessable passwords or reusing passwords across multiple accounts. A strong password should be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using a password manager to generate and securely store complex passwords. Be wary of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or provide your login credentials or other sensitive information in response to unsolicited emails, texts, or messages. If you're unsure about the legitimacy of a communication supposedly from Venmo, contact their official support channels directly through the app or their official website. Review and adjust your privacy settings. Take control of who can see your transactions. If you're not comfortable with your transactions being public or visible to your friends, adjust your settings to make them private. You can usually find these options in the privacy section of your Venmo settings. Link a secure funding source. Be mindful of the bank accounts or cards you link to your Venmo account. Regularly review your linked accounts and remove any that you no longer use or recognize. Monitor your account activity regularly. Keep an eye on your transaction history for any unauthorized or suspicious activity. If you see something you don't recognize, report it to Venmo immediately. The sooner you identify and report suspicious activity, the better the chances of resolving the issue. Keep your app updated. Venmo regularly releases updates that often include security enhancements and bug fixes. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device to benefit from these improvements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.